What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be playing Piggy just in a few short hours, probably an hour. Piggy 2, Piggy Book 2 will be releasing. So if we go back and we press play, it says Book 1. But let's get into this game. Let's get it. I'm turn my sound on so you guys can hear the game. The frick? Bro. Glitch. There's a glitch. Oh! Okay, yeah. Oh, come on, why do I have to have this glitch? No! What happened? Oh, don't tell me I gotta have this on my screen the whole time. No! No! I had to join a whole new server. And, yeah. A whole new server. And I have to do this right here. I just have to wait here. This is, I don't know. I don't like it. Look, just have to sit here. Which, I'm not liking. It says I'm in the game because I can crouch, but it's just me like this. Can I reset? Okay, I reset. Now we're taking it back to... Okay, hold on, guys. Okay, so if I press play, it's going to give me to spectate mode, right? Okay, I can't play anymore. Ah, okay, hold on, guys. Now we joined a whole server with my friend. Alright, please let me be in the game. Okay, so a new game starting. No. Go to player or buy. I don't like doing this. Yeah, whatever. Okay, no! Someone was waiting for player, then I picked trader. Dang that. Oh, what is this chapter? I forgot. Okay, we're almost out of here. I just need to rest a little. Don't worry, bunny. We're getting out of here. Oh, this is the subway, I think. The one map I have not beaten yet. Sad. That's really sad. I haven't beaten this map yet. Okay. Oh, you took the crossbow. You donut? I'm joking. She said donut. I keep wanting to hold the shit to run, but it's crouching. Okay, so we can't do it. Okay, we have to stairs. I'm a half robot, half man. If you don't like it, you can eat me. Okay, take that purple cape. I am... Oh my god! No one told me she'd spawn right there. Heck no! No one told me she'd spawn there! This makes me want to run away. Shoot that girl. Shoot that thing dead. Shoot that thing. I screwed up. Oh, traders and stuff. Let's go. I won the game. Dip crap. Dip crap. Subway. Okay, I have 145 credits. I'm gonna go to shop. I don't know. Should I buy one here or should I buy a chapter 2 skin when it comes out? Because it comes out in exactly a few minutes or an hour. I don't know. Should I buy one thing? I really want to buy Sheepy, but I have only 5 more credits. But I kind of want to buy a new one, like, you know. I haven't really bought anything in the shop at all, so. Yeah, I really want to buy something from Book 2. Yeah, I want something from Book 2 when it releases. Alright, okay. Okay, chapter 1, okay, we're going a little old school. I like it. Okay, let's just do player. Yes, please, thank you. I'm glad we're doing player. Oof. Dolly Kane 2010. Someone tells me she was born 2010. But I kid. Well, this is the place that Georgia Pig was last seen. Oh, we're a detective. We're a cop. Always knew that, yeah. Obviously, we're a cop. When I first played this game, I didn't really know how to play. It's kind of like Granny. You know, the game you can get on your computer or phone. But yeah. Piggy's, oh my gosh. New one's coming out soon. Dang, you wanna close it on me? I said I could go across Antarctica. even though it's really far from here. Parkour. Parkour. Yeah, oh crap. First person glitch. Alright. Where does Piggy spawn though? Oh, zebra! Oh, she's glitched, she's glitched. Can I not close the door? Okay. She's going. Where is she? Okay. She's there. Okay, here's the red key, come on, let's go. That's the blue key. Let's go. Oh crap, get me out. That guy just felt it was death, I think. Okay, I did. Let's keep our eye on Piggy. I'm gonna get that gear. Oh, that nose is just some kind of power. Okay, I have a blue key, and I think I might know where that goes. Let's go. Yeah, follow. This is my squad. Okay, all I need is the key. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh. Okay, we just need the key. And then we're out of here. Okay, I have the blue key. I think it goes down in the basement. Great, now I'm being chased by a zebra boy. She's gonna try and get me to jump down. She'll be waiting for me. Well, I'm smarter than that. She's waiting for me. What a bot. Watch this. Okay. That's the purple key. Come on. Blue key. Oh! Okay. This is our key to escape. Let's go! Oh my god. No way. No! I was that close to escaping. Are you joking me? I gotta play. I gotta spectate. No. I was being refused that. That was bullcrap. Literally. That's my old skin. That's what I used to look like. Literally. No. Okay, yeah, so that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you all when we play Piggy 2 in just a few short hours. Peace.